Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to make it as a music artist right now. In this video, I'll be going over 5 simple steps, 5 that will help you make it as a music artist. Now, these are the things that you have to do. And right now is different than 10 years ago. And 10 years ago was different than 50 years ago. What you had to do 50 years ago or 10 years ago is very different than what you have to do now to make it as a music artist. If you have talent in music in one way or another, whether it's playing an instrument, whether it's singing, whether it's rapping, whether it's any form of music, these are the 5 things that you need to do to give you a really good chance at making it in our current society. All right, step number 1 is spend days, months, and years getting amazing at your craft. Listen, if you're just not great at playing the piano, then how can you expect it to make it as a piano player right now? You need to put in the hours right now for free, not getting paid, not getting any recognition. Step 1 is to literally spend as much time as you need to get amazing. You don't have to be the best. Definitely you don't have to be the best because, you know, there's not only room for one music artist, there's room for thousands of music artists. So with that being said, you just have to be amazing. You don't have to be the best, but you do have to be, you know, within the top couple of thousand. With that being said, spend a lot of time perfecting your craft, trying to get as good as you can at playing the piano, playing the guitar, singing, rapping, playing the guitar and singing, playing the piano and rapping. Figure out a different spin, if you can, to the classic musical artist kind of mentality. And the classic music artists that you see just singing, just rapping, just playing the piano, combine a few of them together and get good at it. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is you want to showcase your skills on social media. So many musical artists started out on social media and then made it to the big leagues, like made it to being completely famous and well known, made it to being household names. Some of the biggest artists, and you know who they are. I don't even have to say them. You know who they are. Started off doing videos of their craft and then, you know, ended up making it because that's how you get recognized. If you are good at something, if you have what it takes to make it, to be good or amazing, I should say, at something, and you're willing to put it out there on social media, you will get recognized eventually. It might take you a couple of months, it might take you a couple of years, but you will get recognized. So showcase your skills on social media. Step number 3 is put out a lot of content. This is where people go wrong. I watch a lot of people on social media with their musical skills. I love music. I'm a musician myself, so I like to watch people on social media. And they put out one song every 6 months. They put out one version of them playing the piano every 6 months. That's not enough. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I should have had some water before this video. Even if you are the best piano player on the planet, if you put out one song every 6 months, it's going to take you like 20 years to get recognized. And you don't have that kind of time. If you're watching this video, you want to make it in the industry ASAP. So with that being said, put out a lot of content. A lot. Like, try to release at least one piece of content a day. Whether it is you playing the instrument, whether it is you demonstrating, or maybe a tutorial, or maybe just you vlogging about your practicing, try and put out a piece of content every day, not 5 days a week, 7 days a week. Just so you know, like on my channel, most days I'll put out at least 2 videos a day. Every single day, 7 days a week. If you want to make it, that's what it takes. Listen, you either have it or you don't have it. So it's as simple as that. If you want to make it, you got to put out a lot of content. Try for at least 1 a day. On, you know, maybe 1 video, and then a different day you put out a picture, then a blog post, whatever it takes. But 1 piece of content a day to try and get in front of people and to get recognized. Step number 4 is get in front of the faces of the people that matter. Once you've developed a following on social media, maybe you want to hold a meetup. And let's say like you're playing the guitar and singing, maybe you want to hold a meetup and say, listen, I'm going to play the guitar and sing for 1 hour in this public location. Just come and watch me if you want. And you'll probably get a lot of people that, you know, that enjoy your content and enjoy your music to come to that location and watch you play. They're going to take pictures of you. They're going to make videos of you. they're gonna attract a bigger crowd if you do it in a popular public location. Obviously, make sure that you're allowed to do it. Don't go and break the rules by, you know, playing in this location when you're not allowed to do it there. Make sure that you're allowed to do it in this public place, and they're gonna get you in front of more people. They're gonna expand your crowd. They're gonna expand your reach because they're gonna take pictures, post it on their social media. Other people are gonna hear you play. They're gonna be like, oh, what's this person doing? Let me snap some pictures or take some videos and put them on my social media because of this great guitarist and singer playing in the public location. And then step number 5, and this is the most important one by far, it's rinse and repeat. If you just do this once, you're probably not going to make it. It's as simple as that. You can get pretty big, but you're not going to be a household name. You got to do this. Keep putting out more content. Keep, you know, growing your following. Keep going in front of the faces of the people that matter. Playing in public locations. Keep doing it over and over again. You're going to grow your following, and eventually you'll make it. Like, if you are good enough in terms of your skills as a musician, you'll make it. It might take you a month, it might take you 6 months, it's probably gonna take you 5 years, but you'll make it. And if you're like 30 right now, or 40 or 50, you still have 5 years to spare because you're still really young. And in 5 years, you can be a household musical artist name if you just get good and show it off. That's what it comes down to. Get good and show it off. And people will like it. People will flock to your skills. They'll flock all around your skills and they'll love it. And it's as simple as that. And that's how to make it as a music artist right now. Those are the 5 steps that you need to follow. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.